What is that? What's this?
That's my pocket knife.
Oh yeah, why don't you show your pocket knife?
Is that your pocket knife?
Yeah.
Wow.
Fingerprints on the walls, crumbs all over the floor. Laundry pile so tall, I think I might fall over. Way too often am I overwhelmed by the slide.
Good afternoon, GROSSLAND. I'm actually just coming back from work. I have done very, very little in the area of just documenting and videoing and vlogging. Just been really, really busy with catching up on stuff today. I guess I wanted to share a thought that's crossed my mind, and it actually came from General Conference over the weekend. And what it was is on kind of gradual improvement and progression, being able to basically steadily move forward with consistency rather than, you know, inconsistency going oh really good and bad, and you know, achieving your goals for like a week and then falling back on all of them and doing worse than you were before. I have had I've experienced both, honestly, and I really am convinced that the slow and steady, I should say, it doesn't necessarily need to be slow, but the consistent, steady improvement is the way to do it. And that's just been something that's on my mind, because I'm kind of tired of doing goals that end up blowing up in my face, or I fall back on them and do worse than I did before. I want to progress. I want to improve. So I'm really going to try to take that counsel that I received over the weekend and try to apply it in my life and make that happen. And I'd encourage you guys to do the same too. You know, I know sometimes when you get spun up on something, you just want to implement something perfectly right away. But my experience is that your energy wears out pretty quickly about keeping that going. But if you do it more steadily with purposeful plans and steps, that it becomes more doable. You find out ways to make it so that you're just do it on a more consistent basis without extending all your energy. So that's my goal, to do that on a lot of my desires and goals that I have for my life, and also to try to teach that principle to my family and my kids. And I wanted to teach it to you guys too, if you hadn't known that before. But I guess let me know that I'd like to have feedback on that, because you know I profess not to be a guru and perfect and all that knowledge, but if you have a experience with success either way, just by slamming through it or by steadily going through it, I'd like to know and hear about it. So go ahead and leave a comment or message me, or use you know, one of the means of social media. I'd love to hear and know what your take is on it, because it really is. I think it's huge to be able to progress and grow towards those things you really want in life. So give me your tips, advice, life experience. I want to know, and I'll share it if I agree. If I don't, you won't ever hear about it ever.
The Bella's in distress. Tell us what's going on, honey.
I was making these cookies, and now they're not turning out well at all.
Oh my, wow. This is gonna be tonight's family home evening treat, and while they may not look like they're much, they're yummy, aren't they, Charlie? Anyway, I haven't helped at all with this, but they are doing awesome.
I did everything right, except for the part about putting them immediately on that thing. I waited like weeks, and now they're all
maybe that's why it
crumbly.
was so hard. Anyway, they're no-bake cookies, which my roommate in college used to call them gorilla poops, kind of nasty, but they are yummy. And I've just been cleaning clothes, fun. So, all right, good luck with that, guys.
I'm not doing any more of this.
Bella's quitting. I don't believe
Well, I was like only enough to make one more cookie, so Juliet's
Oh.
gonna make one more
it.
cookie.
You're gonna finish it off, Juliet?
I think.
Okay, are you gonna clean up the mess too? Oh my word. Ah! You guys are messy.
And the cleaning is eating.
No, don't eat anymore so that we have supper tonight.
I'm back home. I got some great leg warmers. You guys are silly. Hi. Hi, I see you. You guys have a good day so far? Huh?
Which is still daytime.
Yeah, I didn't say the day's over. I just said, have you had a good day so far?
Yeah.
Good.
Start moving.
Ooh, I like that treat over there. That looks good.
Yeah, good. And messy.
Start. Move.
Little gorilla turds.
Bella and Juju made those.
Really? You made that?
Barely any.
You made that with Bella?
Not barely any.
I'm impressed. Oh, you're stuck. Oh, you got through. Yay. We're getting the schoolroom situated. This table's still not refinished yet, but we're planning on turning this kind of a dark stain and then have white legs down here. I think that's what we're gonna do. Or maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's dark legs. No, I think it's white legs, dark top. And then potentially we're gonna paint this the shelf desk a white color.
The drill's running out of battery, so I can't like deflect this off.
Uh-oh. We got some problems. Oh, stop. Okay.
And then the bid's here.
Can we fix it? We will see. Monster. Yeah, did you have some gorilla poop or whatever it's called? You get all washed up?
You say, I love you? No? Okay.
I love you.
What is that? What's this?
That's my pocket knife.
Oh yeah, why don't you show your pocket knife? Wait, you're making the camera shake.
Should do it this way. That your pocket knife?
Yeah.
Wow! Cool, Charlie.
Pretty awesome.
It's not even a pocket knife.
What are you talking about, Juju?
Well, it is a pocket knife to Charlie, but it's actually not. It's for
Yeah,
your
you gotta be
feet.
careful, because you got a knife in your hand. As he runs with the knife. Oh my goodness! Hey, Char, you can't do that if you have your little knife. Okay?
Yeah.
You can't run around with a knife.
This.
No.
That's cool, but yeah, that's your knife if you're gonna do that.
Yeah, you gotta put it up on the shelf if you're gonna do that.
Watch this. Watch this. Yeah.
Char, you hear me?
Watch this.
If you're, hey Charlie, if you're gonna do that, you gotta put your knife up. Good job.
Well, that's how you do it. So you run and go on your knees like this.
Wow.
Charlie winded and then tripped and then he did that. We figured out how to do it. So we both did it. And it was really fantastic. Watch this. I did a
Cool. crazy.
And I'll secretly stash some of their pixie dust, and I'll fly myself back